Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping. And today, my worker and I went to Dollar Tree and Fleet Farm. I picked up the standing oscillating fan at Fleet Farm. All of these fans were $19. I think the oscillating fan was $19.99. Let's see. Blah, 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 where is it? Yeah, $19.99. But the other, the box fans were $19. So this one was a little bit shy of $20, and then the other, I have two box fans like that from the Dollar Tree. I only am showing one in the video just because it's like would be hard to show two of them. So, anyways, those are the three fans that I picked up to help with getting the cooler air from the other rooms into my bedroom. So the box fan hangs on the metal shelf, and then so it blows towards the bed, and then I have the oscillating fan. Sorry, I am trying to keep this still. The oscillating fan is at the head of the bed, so it has been keeping the room fairly cool. It hasn't been climbing up over 75. Every now and then it will when it's super hot outside. But other than that, it's been keeping the room decent, I guess. I would like a little bit cooler, but it is what it is. And I'm doing the best I can with it. So, yeah, I do have to return one of the fans. The one that, this one actually, only works on low. The other one works on high and medium, no problem, and low, so all the control works. That one does not. It was really warm after taking the other fans that I had out, because they were pretty old and not really blowing so well. So anyway, I needed to get the room cooler, so I got new fans. I did give the box fan that was sitting in here, we're actually hanging where this one will be put, to somebody else that didn't have a fan. Their fan broke, and so I gave it to them, because it still works. It's just not keeping my bedroom as cool as I want it. And even on low, this one works a lot better than, it seems to be cooling off. It could be the fact that I have a fan in front of the air conditioner now, blowing the cooler air further away. But anyways, they were happy. They were very grateful for it, and I'm grateful that it can still be used. So yeah, I'm going to be going through that bag and sorting out what I want to keep and what I want to donate. And then that bag will be going out as well. So, and that cooler right there is my my nebulizer stuff. So anyway, I thought I'd share a few things that were in the video along with the fans. But if I did contact the company about the box fan not working on the other two settings, so if they don't reply to me by Tuesday, my worker and I will take it back to Dollar Tree with the receipt and see what they'll do about it. So yeah, that's the new fans that I got. Like I said, I got two of the box fans and one of the oscillating fans. I don't like it oscillating, but I do like a fan like at the head of my bed. So yeah, that's what I got, and it is helping a bit. I wish I could get a little bit cooler in here, similar to where it's out in the other room, but it's better than it was before. So, and yes, I know the name on the oscillating fan is upside down on the front cage. I accidentally put it together upside down. Eventually, I will probably just move. I'll fix it once I clean the fan. once it needs to be done. I'm not going to mess with it right now. It wasn't that easy to put together. And the back side is plastic and the front side is metal, so I don't want to keep taking it apart too much. So when I go to clean it, I'll fix the front side, but it doesn't impede on the fan, so I don't worry about it right now. So anyways, I'll let you go. So as always, may God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. And bye for now. See you next time.